Hey everyone. If you want to use LinkedIn for business growth, clients, and branding in 2026, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to use LinkedIn for business. First, create a professional company profile. Add your logo, company name, website, and a clear description of your business. Next, optimize your company page. Use strong branding and write a clear about section so people understand your business. Now start posting valuable content. Share updates, industry tips, and useful insights regularly to build trust. Build your audience by inviting employees, clients, and connections to follow your page. This helps you grow faster. You can also use LinkedIn ads. This helps you reach targeted customers and increase visibility. Connect with potential clients and business partners. Send professional messages, not spammy content. Finally, track your performance using analytics. See which posts perform best and improve your strategy over time. So yeah, that's how you use LinkedIn for business in 2026. Follow each step carefully and you can grow your brand, get clients, and build authority online. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more business tutorials for fast and easy guides.